Okay, guys, good afternoon. Excuse me, let's get right into it. So, we took a short this afternoon in Tesla. Um, I took the underlining and I got short 100 shares at 1050, and we got as low as 1,000. Then it kind of recovered a little bit to close at 1018. Let's take a look at the daily here. This is really a beautiful looking bottoming tail bar inverted hammer. Very bearish candle on the daily, so I anticipate this puppy to start rolling over. So we're waiting for that turnaround. You know, as we talked about this morning, Tesla's been just in some sort of crazy ass zone at this point, just pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing up. So obviously there's going to be a retracement eventually, and we're just kind of sitting on our hands waiting for that to happen. And looks like it happened today. This, like I said, it's a really positive close uh, candle on the close today. It's not your prototypical bottoming tail bar, but it closed on the bottom side of that on that candle closer to the low of the day to give me a pretty good confidence that it's going to continue to slide down. So we'll look at, let's see here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart here. So here's the 4, and we're still choking the adaptive, moving average adaptive, and obviously we like to have a break of that. So let's see if we have a bit of a little bit of a consolidation, then a rollover tomorrow, getting at 950, rollover tomorrow, and bringing it down to 900. So ideally, I'd like to see it go down to 900, and we'll see if we get there. I didn't take any options because the options are so expensive, and I have enough money in my account to roll the dice on 100 shares, and I'm pretty confident at 1050 we're looking at a nice rollover to potentially $900. So that's where we stand on Tesla. Let's take a look at some of our other plays today. Let's see what gold did today. Whoop, just pulled up Chewy. Didn't want Chewy. Let me find gold. Here we go. So gold was down a little bit today. Got as low as 1782, 1783. Closed about 12 points, 11, 12 points off the low today. We're over the 200-day moving average and the 200-day uh, moving average weighted. The weighted 200-day moving average and a simple moving average. So Let's see if we continue up this channel. See if we can eventually get a breakup. But breakup. Let's see if we can get to. Ideally, we'd like to get about 1840 and take off our last two contracts. And let's see what the Jap dollar did overall today. It was down a little bit. Nothing to write home about. Let's bring in the 1 hour chart here. So yeah, still on that bearish slide. There's no reason to start looking at a potential long at this point. We'll just kind of wait for that support line to come into play. It is at this current support line. But let's see. There's three. Let's see if it starts to react off it. So yeah, as we looked at it this morning, we had to go back to the go back 5 years to get an idea. But looks like we got a bunch of W patterns here, as we pointed out this morning. W pattern, W pattern, W pattern. So let's see if we end up getting one of these W patterns. Maybe a push up, come back down, then another a double bottom in this immediate time frame, and back up to 97.5. We'll see. Let's see if we get there. Nasdaq. Let's see what we got here. Okay, Kiwi dollar, Canadian. Oh, 5 years back. That's why it's not coming up. So yeah, looking good. More or less a push today. Still trying to break through that 200-day moving average. So we're in a bit of a consolidation phase here. So no reason to panic. Looking really good. So overall, looking very good in all our positions. Gold's looking good. Had a bit of a pullback. We tested a support area, and now it's kind of chopping away here. Kiwi dollar versus CAD looking fantastic. Trying to get through the 200-day moving average, and consolidating. And the position we took in Tesla, put the alerts out as soon as I took it, and we're currently up, I think, about 30 points in Tesla, 32 points. And we're looking at a fantastic bearish candle here. So overall, looking good. Let's see if Tesla can continue its slide in the aftermarket throughout the duration of the overnight session. So that's where we stand. Make this short and sweet, and we'll touch base in the morning. Okay, guys. Have a good night. Take care.